Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on iPhone 17. First, go to Settings and then scroll down to the Display and Brightness menu. Then open it and scroll down until you find the text size option and tap on it. And now you can change the text size by moving the slider to the right to increase the text size and to the left to decrease it. You can also make the text bolder by switching the toggle to the right. And in order to change the display size, you have to scroll to the very bottom of this list and select a display zoom option, and then pick between default or larger text, and to apply changes click done. Additionally, if the largest text size in the display and brightness menu is not enough for you, you can go to accessibility and select display and text size in here, then go to larger text, and if you want even larger text sizes, switch the toggle to the right. Then you can make the text basically as large as you want by moving this slider to the very right. And that's how you can change DPI settings on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.